Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily Biology MCQ series of NEET Buddy, where we are providing you with daily biology MCQs from one of the chapters of class 11th or class 12th NCERT Biology, and the topic for today's MCQs is what you're seeing on screen. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question 1. What fraction of blood is constituted by plasma? The fractions are given in percentage. What fraction of blood is constituted by plasma? Option A, 55%, option B, 45%, option C, 65%, or option D, 35%. What fraction of blood is constituted by plasma? The correct answer is option A, that is 55% of blood constituted by plasma. Question 2. Serum is best defined as option A, plasma plus clotting factor, option B, plasma minus clotting factors, option C, plasma minus WBC, or option D, plasma minus platelets. Serum is best defined as. The correct answer is option B, plasma minus clotting factor equals serum. Question 3. Normal RBC count is 5 to 5.5 million per cubic millimeter, 6 to 6.5 million per millimeter cube, 4 to 4.5 per millimeter cube, 3 to 3.5 per millimeter cube. What is the normal WBC count? The correct answer is 5 to 5.5 million per cubic millimeter, that is option A. The normal RBC count is important. What is the size of RBC? That is also asked. What is the size of RBC? Yes, 7 micrometers is the size of normal RBC. So these two are important facts about RBC that you need to know. In fact, the normal range of hemoglobin is also asked. Question 4. Which of the following organ is called as graveyard of RBC? Option A, liver, option B, bone marrow, option C, spleen, or option D, kidney. The correct answer is option C, spleen is called as the graveyard of RBC. Once the RBC completes its lifespan of 120 days, it goes to spleen and it gets killed over there. Question 5. Leukocytes are called WBCs because option A, they lack hemoglobin, option B, they have white pigment, option C, they have granules, or option D, hemoglobin is present but doesn't express its red color. Leukocytes are called WBCs because. The correct answer is option A, because they lack hemoglobin. WBC means white blood cell. Leukocytes appear white because they do not contain hemoglobin. RBCs, red blood cells, or erythrocytes appear red because they contain hemoglobin. Question 6. Which of the following is not granulocyte? Eosinophil, neutrophil, monocytes, basophil. Which of the following is not a granulocyte? The correct answer is option C. Monocyte is not a granulocyte. Most abundant WBC in blood is option A, basophil, option B, eosinophil, option C, neutrophil, option D, monocyte. Most abundant WBC in blood is. The correct answer is option C. Neutrophil is the most abundant WBC in blood. Question 8. Antigen found on the surface of RBC in a person with blood group O is A, B, both A and B, or nil. The correct answer is option D, that is the antigen found on the surface of RBC is nil. Neither A nor B is found. Hence, they act as universal donors. However, they contain both the antibodies in their plasma. So, since both the antibodies, that is anti-A as well as anti-B, is present, they cannot receive blood from any other blood group other than O itself. So they act as universal donor. However, they can receive blood only from blood group O. On the same basis, AB blood group acts as a universal recipient because it contains both antigen A and B, but the plasma doesn't contain any antibody. So neither anti-A nor anti-B is present. So AB acts as universal recipient, receiving blood from all the blood groups, and O acts as a universal donor and can donate blood to all blood groups. Question 9. Erythroblastosis fetalis occurs when mother is Rh positive, child is Rh negative, mother is Rh negative, child is Rh positive, mother is A blood group and child is O, or mother is O blood group, child is A. Erythroblastosis fetalis occurs when? The correct answer is option B, that is mother is Rh negative and child is Rh positive. During the first delivery, there is no complications. However, at the time of delivery, some blood of the child gets exposed to the maternal blood. At that time, the Rh positive contains Rh antigens. So the antigens of the child gets in contact with the blood of the mother, and mother starts developing antibodies against these antigens. During the second pregnancy, now this antibodies has the tendency to cross the placenta and reach into the child's blood. Now the child's blood in the second pregnancy, these antibodies are going to destroy the child's RBC, resulting in severe anemia. And that is what called as erythroblastosis fetalis, in which the mother's antibody against Rh antigen is destroying child's RBC. And it is not seen in first pregnancy, seen only in second pregnancy. Question 10. Which of the following is incorrect? Option A. Duration of cardiac cycle 0.8 minutes. Stroke volume 70 ml. Heart rate 72 times per minute. Cardiac output 5 liters. Which of the following is incorrect? The correct answer is option E is incorrect. Cardiac cycle is 0.8 seconds and not minutes. Question number 11. Fastest distribution of some injectable materials, medicine, and with no risk of any kind can be achieved by injecting it into arteries, veins, lymph vessels, or muscles. Fastest distribution of injectable materials with no risk of any kind can be achieved by injecting that injectable material or medicine into which of the following? The correct answer is option B, veins. It's not option A because you cannot find arteries, and whenever we inject something we say we are giving it IV, that is intravenous. So we inject it into veins. Question number 12. ABO blood grouping is controlled by gene I, which has 3 alleles and shows codominance. There are 6 genotypes. How many possible phenotypes are there? 3, 4, 5 or 6? 6 genotypes. How many phenotypes are there? The correct answer is there are 4 phenotypes. And what are the phenotypes? The normal blood groups A, B, AB and O. Question number 13. Sickle cell anemia is caused by substitution of valine biglutamic acid in beta globin chain of hemoglobin, caused by change in single base pair of DNA, characterized by elongated sickle-like RBC with a nucleus, and autosomal linked dominant trait. Sickle cell anemia is, you have to find the correct statement about the sickle cell anemia. So the correct answer is option B. It is caused by a change in a single base pair of DNA. Question number 14. Compared to blood, our lymph has plasma without proteins, more WBC and no RBC, more RBCs and less WBC, no plasma. Compared to our blood, our lymph has. Correct answer is option B. It has more WBCs and no RBCs. Question number 15. Blood is a kind of areolar tissue, connective tissue, structural tissue, reticular connective tissue. Blood is a kind of. Correct answer is option B. It is a kind of connective tissue. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow with another set of 15 MCQs, and the topic for tomorrow's MCQ session would be the next chapter of class 11th NCERT biology. Do read that chapter up, and if you found this helpful, do share it with your friends as well. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.